I'm starting end of July we will start shooting, and that's pretty much the status in terms of when we begin. The rest, and I have to confess, मैंने 2 stage भी नहीं पढ़ी है जो मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ. I thought played the character. No, that was an individual choice. I didn't want to read it to be influenced. Yeah, the possibilities are endless in terms of the kind of material available. Sometimes you don't have to pick up a particular book. It is just being inspired in a genre, in a world. Today, the fact that Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter have been turned into films, they stem from what? Literature. Today, India needs maybe visionaries like that to not only write but to be able to execute it. So there are so many ideas that exist in our mythology. Our mythology is the greatest writing in the world. I mean, that I think जो पढ़ते नहीं हैं वो भी कह सकते हैं. The Ramayana and Mahabharata in itself have so many stories waiting to be told. Like I've always been fascinated by our own Indian culture. So there's so much, like Javed Saab said, so many historical characters, so many true stories, so many incidents waiting to happen. It's just about being able to create that situation where you can make those films. It's not about what I want. We should be able to think out of the box, not कि यही एक किताब है. There's so many more I did want to that has become an English film. Because Alexander Dumas is the Count of Monte Cristo. That's actually been something very interesting that I've always thought will make for an interesting enough Hindi feature as well. Because correct, so it's been made, adapted or utilized in its own sense. But it's very interesting. Like now, Christopher Nolan says his inspiration to make Inception, he used the Tale of Two Cities to create a reference point. Now, you don't need to only get to pick up a book. It's an influence in your life, in your culture. So that's why directors and writers, I guess, they are an evolved species in comparison to us actors who only fulfill one part. They have that world, and I think that's the fascinating part. Like Javed Saab said, you can create a world with your writing. So more than a novel or a script, it is to create those worlds. I'm excited to see. Hopefully, we'll get those.
Interpreted Inception in a different manner. Rajkumar Hirani.
Sir, so each audience member will interpret a film, and that's the uniqueness of watching a film.
The very idea of Inception is there in PK. Even Rajkumar Hirani himself has confessed that after watching PK, I rewrote my screenplay. Otherwise, it was very similar.
Inception, you're saying?
Inception, sorry, yeah. Very similar ideas. And this book, now reminds me of a strange book I read long back, The World According to Garth. That book had quite similar to the work, to the genre. Your work.
I must tell you one little story that somewhere there was a literary meeting with some 100 people, and a young man got up. He had to read a short story, and he said that before I read my short story, I must make an honest confession that I have been influenced by Camus. Camus has been a great influence, and even in this story you will feel that it is like Albert Camus, but I couldn't help it. And then he read the story, and everybody was quiet because he was influenced by Albert Camus. A lady who knew Camus well, she got up and said, "Young man, there is no influence of Albert Camus on it. It has nothing to do with Camus' work. You just forget it, that you are influenced by Camus. Your story and Camus' story have nothing to do with each other." I don't know why I have narrated it, but there must be some reason.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? सनसनी केस खोला था. मैं अभी आपको मेरी डेट की डायरी भेजता हूँ और बताता हूँ. I'm going to start shooting soon. अभी तो ये सेम चीज कही है मैंने. कल ही मैं दिल्ली में था जब मीडिया से मिला वहाँ पे. I'm starting end of July we will start shooting, and that's pretty much the status in terms of when we begin. The rest of the details, it's only fair that Balki sir talks. क्या मैम? कौन? नो मैम. विस्तार से आप थिएटर में देखिए ना आके. मतलब हम आपको सब बता देंगे तो फिर थिएटर में क्या बचेगा यार?
नहीं, आप सबको मत बताइए, मैं इनके साथ 2 घंटे.
आप आइए विस्तार से बातचीत.
2 घंटे बैठ जाइएगा जरा. अभी हम बाहर ही बता दें.
चलिए, आपको इतना कह सकता हूँ कि it's a romantic film, and it's based in an urban setting. That's pretty much where I feel I'm allowed to speak. जिनकी फिल्म है उन्हें हमेशा पहले बोलने का मौका देना चाहिए where a film's material is concerned. अच्छा इसके बाद चले जाओ ना घर, ठीक है, माइंड जल्दी पूछ ले यार।
If at all you were ever to write a book, like ever, so what would be your suggestion?
Yeah, I mean, I tried writing because I wanted to be a director, and I wasn't very good at it because my mind seemed to run much faster than my hand could. And I thought of too many things that didn't eventually make sense in terms of a character. I just wanted to encompass everything into one book. And I was very young, naive, and gullible at that point. I thought I can achieve it. Not book, it was actually for a script that I was pursuing at that point to be a director. And I realized maybe I'm not ready yet, so I've not dwelled on it after. And I really don't know. You evolve over a course of time. आज मैं कुछ और चाहूँगा, 5 साल बाद कुछ और चाहूँगा. So जब सच में लिख लूँगा, it'll be easier for me to answer that.
आप बताइए, मुझे तो पता नहीं उसके बारे में, प्लीज बताइए। हाँ, मेरा ये ख्याल है, आई थिंक
और विस्तार से पूछिए, क्या पूछना चाहेंगे? जी,
ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये reducing the whole press conference to a shit. Somebody has to shut up.
सर वो मेरे दोस्त है और मैं उन्हें पर्सनली विश कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं बिल्कुल उन्हें करूँगा विश।
इस तरह का सवाल मत पूछिए।